Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the else statement in JavaScript. Okay, so let's go with this particular example and we will then discuss about this example as well. Okay, awesome. So now, for example, for this particular rating, the user has given us the rating of good. So this is not a valid rating, which is meeting any sort of conditions inside of our if or the else if conditions, right? So then what we have to do, we have to do something like an else statement and open up the curly braces here. We do not do something like this, okay? We do not add a condition or something like that, okay? So inside of the else, what we can do something like, hey, that or this basically rating is not processable. Okay, so this rating is not processable. Okay, awesome. So if the user is doing something like this or doing something like this, then this is awesome because we are having this one single basically checking, right? So this is awesome. So that is why it is checking something like that. But if we do something like this, like, hey, if the rating is equals to 7, okay, so if I just do that, something like that, and hit save, as you can see, we are getting like, hey, it is an okay rating because we are checking into this one. Okay, so let's move it something like that. So yeah, this is how it goes. So this is the else statement. So if none of these conditions match before all of this particular code, then the code inside of the else statement will run. Okay, so if we do something like good or great, something like that, then like, hey, this rating is not processable. Okay, so here we can do something like this else statement here. Okay, so this is the else statement. Once again, we cannot add the else statement without the if statement, but it is not necessary to have else if statements, okay, which we will see inside of this particular example. So remember, this is the example. So we have the number which is 45, and what we are doing, we are just checking like, hey, if this number has the modulo of 2 is equals to 1, then it is an odd number, right? So it is an odd number. But now what if this modulo is 0? Then the number can only be even or odd, right? So else what we can do console log and then do something like it is a even number. Okay, it is a even number. As you can see, this is an odd number. So what I'll do, I'll just comment out this one for now. So this is an odd number. Now if I just do something like 46, then it is an even number. So we can do something like this. So this is a very simple if else statement. And also we have seen this particular example as well, where we are having multiple if and the else if statements, also the else statement as well. Okay, awesome. So this is the else statement in action in JavaScript. Okay,